If you guys want to know how to make a working Game Pass shop like this, where it says owns if you own it, then watch until the end of the video to find out how. Alright, so I just created a new base plate, and so let's begin. So first we're going to be adding a folder inside of replicator storage. This is going to be the module for all the game passes. So we can just name this modules. You don't have to add this if you don't want, but yeah. Add a module script in that, and then name that module script GamePassIDs, and then just copy that. And I like to do this, and then so we're gonna add you're gonna add your game passes here, the amount of game passes you're gonna have, so like the numbers and stuff. And then I'll actually show you guys how to make a game pass right now. Alright, so what you're gonna want to do is go to your home page right here. Now you're gonna want to go to create at the top over here. Sorry, but yeah, I want to click that. I just clicked a random game I made. I don't know what this is. You should see, like, sorry I cut, but you should see a bunch of games that you made, or you know, maybe just one. But yeah, so and then once you're here, you click on the game and then you press back. And now you're gonna press add pass like this, and then you know, pick your file. I'm just gonna pick my profile picture, I don't know. And then just name your game pass, like for example ×2 coins or something, and make a description. You're gonna make a description because it's gonna display the description as well, so you'll see that. So purchasing, oh, I spelled it wrong. Purchasing this pass will give you ×2, or let's say double the coins. So preview, and then to give it a price, you want to press it here, configure, sales, and then item for sale, and then pick your Roblox amount, and it'll show you how much you'll earn, because Roblox makes 30%, so you'll make 70% of it. So you can make like 200, whoops, 200, you'll get 150. You can make it to 14, you'll get 150. Yeah. I'm gonna leave it, I don't know, do whatever you want. I'll do this. Yeah. So once you have your game pass, you'll do this for all of them. You're gonna copy this, right, the ID at the top, and now you're gonna go back to Studio. Alright, so we're back in the Studio, and then we're gonna go back in our module. We're gonna paste the ID there, and then if you have multiple, you're gonna add a comma and then keep going. So yeah. But I'm gonna make another one after. Wait, actually, we're gonna have this one I made, and let me just pull one from a game that, or like a random game pass, whatever. Hold on, I'm just trying to get one from a random game that I don't own, so you can see that everything's gonna work. Alright, so I got it. So as you can see, I put a comma and then the game, another game pass ID. So yeah, that's your module right there. So now what you're gonna want to do is make your GUI, obviously. So add a screen GUI. I like doing ignore GUI instead, but that's only so it doesn't show the bar at the top. But I don't think you're gonna need this, but whatever. So you can name this to Game Pass shop. Let me do this. Shop. Okay. So we have that. Now let's add a frame, right? We can just name it frame. And then you're gonna want to resize it. Yeah. I don't know. Let's do like this. I'll show you how to style it, I guess. So copy my properties right now. So anchor point 0.5.5. This is gonna just make it to the, or put it to the middle, like that. See, as you can see, it's in the middle. And yeah, so we're gonna keep it that size and position. So now we're gonna add a UI corner just to make it look good, like that. Might do like that. Okay, you could copy that 0.05, 0, and then you can add like a UI gradient and stuff, or like this UI gradient. Change the color to whatever you want, red, yeah. But Actually, we'll just add a gradient. We're gonna make it blue. I don't know if this is gonna be good or look good. I'm not good at this, but you can make it like this, for example. I'm gonna keep it like that, and then you can also add a UI stroke. This makes it look really good. I'm gonna make it white. Well, you know what? I'm gonna make the frame white instead. Wait, just delete that. And then the UI stroke, we're gonna make blue. Never mind. I don't know where. Okay, let's just keep like this. And I'm gonna up the thickness to like 6. And there we go. That's how it looks. So, yeah. So we add a UI gradient, UI corner, UI stroke. Now we're gonna add a little text label. We're gonna make the background transparency to 1. I'm gonna change it to Fredoka 1 font. I'm gonna make it white, the color. And then we're gonna do the text. We're gonna do Game Pass shop. This is the title, basically. And then for the size, pay attention. You're just gonna do this. And then we'll do that. And we'll rename this to title. And there we go. That looks pretty good so far. Now we're gonna add a container, so for the scrolling frame and everything. So container, name this container. And then I'm gonna get this UI corner, put it in here, and then I'm gonna actually delete this UI gradient and just add a color, just cause. And then we're gonna get this container. We're gonna put the same color. I just copied it, and we're gonna make it darker so it looks better. And then resize it to like this, something like that, like this. And then you're gonna want to add a, well, actually this is a little too dark, but let's do like that and get, yeah. Let's make a scrolling frame. Gonna make background transparency to 1. Size 1,0,0. No border. I'm gonna do the same color for this, but maybe a little darker like that. So yeah, this is scrolling frame, scrolling container, I guess we'll name it. Okay, so that's that. Now we're gonna add a UI grid layout to this. Yeah, and then we're gonna make a frame, and then yeah, okay. So I'm gonna add 2 for now, just to customize this. Wait, actually, first, before we do that, let's name this the template and then duplicate it, because this is gonna be our template, okay? But first, we need to customize this UI grid layout, so I'm gonna do... No. Well, let me see this real quick. Nah. We're gonna do... Let's see what this does. I'm not the greatest with this. Okay. Let's do center, I think. Right, nah. Whoa. Okay. Let's see. So it'll do that now. Okay. Let's see. 90. Nah. Okay. Wait. We actually might need to put this back to the left. And then the position of it. Wait. Move the scrolling frame a bit, like here, 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 and here. Don't have it like completely like that. So there we go. Yeah. Now we're gonna need to resize this like a lot. I don't know how much this should be. I'm gonna do 600. Yeah, I think that's good. And then yeah, okay. So I think that's our template right there. Let's add a UI corner. Let's add another one. Okay, I think that's a good. Yeah, I think that's good actually. Yeah, that's good. Now, for the color, we're gonna do the same color again. All right. So, whoops. Okay. So I think we're gonna keep the same color like that. Yeah. Let's do this too. Okay. I don't know if that looks good, but whatever. So we're gonna have, okay. There's gonna be probably, okay, an image label right here. This is gonna be, name it to GamePass logo. gonna resize it a bit, put it like here. Make the background transparency to 1 and leave it like that. It's not gonna look like that, but the script will replace how it looks, basically. So the text label, this is good. We're gonna rename this to Game Pass name. We'll put it right here. Background transparency to 1. Redoka 1 font. Color white. Name it. Actually, no, you don't have to name that anything. You just, I don't know, put whatever you want. That's gonna replace in the script. So yeah, now say Game Pass name. I'm gonna resize like that. Do this. Okay. Now I'm gonna add the Game Pass description, like I was talking about. Okay. Just keep it like here, and the description will be here. So yeah, we have the logo, the name, description. Okay, now we'll have a button to actually purchase it. Purchase BTN. I don't know. I'll resize this to however you want it. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna make a UI corner. I'm gonna put it to, or make it this green. I'm gonna change it to Fredoka 1 text like this, and then we're gonna say, okay, this is gonna be the price. We're gonna put the price here, just cause why not? Wait, you know what? We're gonna do something else. Just remove the text thing here. Now make a text label. Size 1,0, 1,0. No background. Fredoka 1 white. Okay. And now this is gonna be a price. And now we can scale it without the button thingy scaling as well. So yeah, this is gonna be price. And the reason I want to do this is because I'm gonna have a little Robux logo here, so they know it costs Robux, and I'm gonna leave that Robux image in the description so you guys can just get it. So let me actually just get it really quickly. I'm sorry, I meant to say this thingy, this image right here. I'm gonna give you guys this. This is gonna be the like owned image, so they know they own it. So we're gonna leave it right there. I think that's good. So yeah, I think this is good, and then we can just scale this down a bit, and then we're gonna add like another little text right here. This is gonna be this. We didn't put this to purchase. This is just, I don't know. You don't have to add that. I just want to. So yeah, there we go. Wait, actually, let me rename this to, I don't know, purchase. Like I said, you guys don't have to add it, but there we go. So I think that's our template done, right? If we need anything else, so if we duplicate it, there we go. That's all you have to do. But the script will handle that, because this module, we have 2 so far, so there should be 2 templates. So we're gonna make a local script. You know what? We're gonna keep this template here, but make it invisible. Yeah, make it invisible. Make this frame invisible as well. We're gonna actually make a text button as well, so we can open it. Open GamePass shop, and I'm gonna just take the color, do this, and then we're gonna take the UI corner and the stroke, duplicate it, put it in there. Ooh, the stroke. Okay, never mind. But for some reason, the UI corner is not working, so we're just gonna do this. Oh, there we go. Okay. I'm gonna do Fredoka 1. There we go. Or shop. I don't know. Okay. Now I'm gonna make a local script inside this GUI. We're just gonna name this handler. Now we're gonna get some stuff, okay? So, local replicated storage, game get service, replicated storage. Let me see if I'm recording. All right. Local modules folder is equal to replicated storage. We don't have to do wait for child, but whatever. And I'm gonna do game pass ID module is equal to require modules folder wait for child game pass IDs. So that's just getting the module, and then we're gonna get player, the player. So let's get the player right here. Players, local. Oh, let's add an S to this. Local players. You go to players. The local player. Now, what we're gonna do is okay. For I don't think we need the index. So frame, no. Let's just do V. I don't care. I don't know what to name that. So GamePassID Module. Do. I think that should work. Let me actually print V really quickly. Let me see if that works. It should print the GamePass IDs. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's what we need. We're gonna remove that print, and also we're gonna get some stuff. So, frame. Local open btn is equal to script parent dot open GamePass shop. Local shop frame. Do a script dot parent dot frame. So what we're gonna do is open button, a mouse button, one click. Okay. Shop frame dot visible is equal to not shop frame dot visible. I think that's how you do it. But I should open it. Let's test that out. So when you click it, oh, what is that? Okay, you click it. Oh, that's kind of bad. Let me just rescale the button real quick. Alright, so never mind, let me save it. Okay, so now we're gonna get the template. So local template clone is equal to shop frame dot container dot scrolling container wait for child template, and we're gonna clone it, right? We're gonna template clone dot parent is equal to no. Let's get the container. Local shop container is equal to shop frame dot container dot scrolling container. So that's where the shop. Okay, so we're gonna parent it there, and then we're gonna make it visibility to true. Yeah, so it should make two, I think. Should make two of them. There we go, because we have two game passes in our module. As you can see, two. Okay, so now it should be pretty easy now. So wait, let's see. So we're gonna do, you know what? We're gonna get, okay, I think, okay. Local marketplace service. Let's get a game get service, marketplace service. Now let's put this at the top. Yeah, this should be here. Local game pass infos is equal to okay, marketplace service get product info, and then the asset ID, so the number should be well, V, and then the info type, so enum.info type.gamepass. Yeah, so now we have the GamePass infos, right? So template clone.gamepass name, let's do for example first. GamePass infos dot info name. Okay, let me actually test this out. I hope this works. Shop, oh my god. Okay, there we go. It's showing the times2 coins, and this is the random game pass I got that I don't own. It's like VIP or something, I don't know. So yeah, that's template clone that game pass description. The text is equal to game pass infos dot description, I think. Okay, and then yeah, I think that should work. And then we're gonna do a purchase button, I think it was, yeah. dot price. The text is equal to Game Pass infos dot price in Roblox. I'm pretty sure it is. So let's actually test this out. See, why does it keep doing that? Okay, whatever. Shop. There we go. This is the price now. $5.99, $1.50. And as you can see in the description, it's working too. Purchasing this pass will give you double the coins. And then this is just a random one I got. So now we just need the logo. And yeah, so template clone dot GamePass logo dot image is equal to the info dot okay no okay, cut this. Okay, RBX ID, and then no, GamePass infos dot icon image asset ID. Pretty sure that's yeah, okay, let's just test this out. Whatever, hopefully it shows the logo now. There we go, my PFP right there, and then this random Game Pass. So yeah, it's working. Now this logo thingy needs to be a Roblox icon, and I'm gonna actually get that right now, so I'll be right back. Alright, I just copied it, so you guys are gonna have to copy it. So template clone dot Roblox icon, yeah, the image is equal to think okay, RBX SID, like that. So just copy that down right here. Okay, copy that down. I'll give you guys a bit, and then now what we're gonna do is, if so this is gonna show if you own the Game Pass, it's gonna say you own it, right? So if not, marketplace service, user owns the Game Pass, user ID, pretty sure that's player user ID, and then the Game Pass ID, which is that. Then okay, so if you don't own it, okay, first let me test out this Roblox icon. Okay, so should show a Roblox icon now. There we go. Okay, so yeah, now if you don't own it, okay, we're gonna do is okay, we're gonna prompt the Game Pass, right? Sorry, I keep saying okay. Okay, template clone, purchase button, mouse button, one click, connect function, and then here, this is no, nothing in here. Okay. We're gonna do marketplace service prompt Game Pass purchase the player, and then V, or yeah. Yeah, okay. And then wait, no. Actually, let's see if that works. It might say third-party sales or something like that. Let's see, shop. Oh, okay. It works, I think. Apparently not this one. Oh, whoops. That's because we already own it. This one we don't own, so buy it. Not gonna do anything yet, so if not, okay. We're gonna do now. We're gonna do is we're gonna go down here, right? And we're gonna do marketplace service prompt. What's it called? Finished. Let's see if it's not gonna pop up. Let's see if they have it here. Okay, I don't think it's. I think it's. Oh, there it is. Prompt Game Pass purchase finished. Connect function, I think. And then we're gonna do player GamePassID, and then the was purchased. So purchased, I guess we could just say. Okay. So if GPSID is equal to V and purchased, then so this is if you bought it, then copy the logo I gave you guys, this little check mark, copy this whole thing, and then we're gonna do template clone .roblox icon .image is equal to this, and then what we're also gonna do is dot purchase button .text equal to owns. So let's actually see if this works. I'm gonna do this, buy it, okay, and okay, I did it wrong, my bad. It's supposed to be .price.text, but as you can see it works. So there we go. So we buy it. This will save, by the way, but there we go, owns. Okay, everything is starting to work. So that's that, and now okay, we're gonna do now. Okay, so where is it? Okay, I think we put it here. Yeah, okay, we're gonna just copy what we did here, because this is if they own it, then it'll say it that they own it. And yeah, that should be everything. Yeah, because if you own it, you wouldn't be able to, you know, press it. And because I made this Game Pass, we own it, as you could see, owns. There we go. So now if you press this, and the reason why it's not saving every time we press stop, it's because this is a test purchase. It doesn't, I bought it. So, but yeah, it should work. And yeah, now in the next part, which should be the last part for this, I'm gonna show you guys how to actually, like, you know, give them the Game Pass. I don't know how to explain it, but like 2 times coins, for example, it'll give you 2 times coins. But yeah, so I'm gonna end this video here. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In the next episode, I told you what we're gonna do. I'm gonna make it actually give you the Game Pass and stuff. But I wish we could have did a lot more. I feel like we didn't do that much, but it was kind of good. So if you guys like this video, subscribe, like, leave a comment down below. Any other tutorials you guys would want, I could try to make them. And yeah, and soon I'm gonna be making a Patreon so you guys can get these files if you subscribe to it. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.